Hello everyone, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a brand new vlog for all of you. So everyone, today is Saturday and the time is 4:33 p.m. exactly. So today I'm going outside for a little bit outing guys, because since after 5 days of hard work in the corporate sector we get 2 days of weekend, so compulsory we should give some self time to individual us whatever we want to do. So today I decided to go for a little outing, and also I'm going to watch Param Sundari movie, which is a Bollywood movie. So I'm going to watch that movie today at 10:30 show, and I'm going to review you about the movie as well, that whether it is worth to watch or not. So very excited about the movie, because after so long I have decided to watch a Bollywood movie, guys, and I hope it would be good and interesting as well. So yeah, that's it, nothing else. So I'm going just for a little bit shopping now, and then at night I will have the movie. So that's it. I don't want to make the intro more long. So without any further ado, let's start the vlog. So yeah, guys, keep continuing watching my vlog. And today I'm in a very simple attire, guys. Like I'm very tired and sleepy, so I just wore this joggery pants and along with this t-shirt. Shirt. So and that's it. That is my attire, simple attire for today, and this bag as well. So comment me how I'm looking. So yeah, that's it. Keep continuing watching the vlog, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep continuing watching, guys. And yeah, happy weekend to all of you. So everyone, I came to Sharat City Mall, and actually I want to do some shopping for so long, but I am not able to do. I'm not getting any kind of dresses. So let me see that what are the collections available and whether I'm going to do shopping anything or not. So yeah, keep continuing watching, and I hope you will like today's vlog. So yeah, that's it. Keep continuing watching, guys. So guys, I came to Youth Star. So this is actually a new brand opened in Sharat City Mall. So I came to this place, and from here I have taken one skirt and one t-shirt. So I will try it first of all, and I'll show you how I'm looking in that. So keep continuing watching the vlog. Nowadays it's becoming very difficult for me to find out my selective dresses. Like one dress also choice not coming to me, I don't know why. So just keep continuing watching the vlog. I hope you like the vlog. So guys, I don't know why any dress fittings are not correct for me. Like some dresses are tight, some dresses are more loose. So I don't know what to do. I really want to do some shopping today of dresses, but I'm not getting from anywhere. And presently I came to Sharat City Mall. So let's see guys. So presently I fitted this skirt and this t-shirt. The t-shirt is okay, but the skirt was not fittings is not correct for me, and I'm also somewhat feeling uncomfortable in this wear. So yeah, be with me and keep continuing watching the vlog guys, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. And yeah, that's it, and wish you a very happy weekend guys. So guys, I don't know what is wrong nowadays. I am not finding one single dress also. I have been searching of dresses since last 1.5 hour, but I didn't find even one also which I like the most. From the trial that I did, to be very honest with all of you, the red color dress was fitted perfect for me. But even though I felt that it is not that much suiting to me, like it's like looking some old fashioned kind of the dress design, so that I have not purchased the dress. I'm still roaming and finding anything else which suits me more. So presently I came to lifestyle, and even that also anything is not coming choice. So yeah, be with me and please watch the vlog until the end, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe guys. So guys, finally I have tried one dress and it suited to me properly guys. And according to me, this is a very comfort wear, and I'm looking pretty enough I think in this wear. So guys, this is from Ginger brand, and I came to Lifestyle store at Charlotte City. So probably I'm going to purchase this dress because this is quite looking good at me, as per I feel, because I tried a lot of dresses and literally I'm sweating guys, you can see, and legs are paining walking out. So I have tried a lot, and finally I think that this has suited me and I'm going to buy this, might be, but still I will still searching more before I finally purchase this dress. So yeah, keep continuing watching guys, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm very excited to watch the movie at 9:30, and before that I have to go for dinner as well because I'm feeling very hungry as well guys. So yeah, please keep continuing watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, happy weekend to all of you. So guys, finally today's Zudio collections also I didn't like. Zudio presently sales is going on. I think the sale is until August, but still then the collections are not at all good, means I didn't like. But I am a person who loves Zudio dresses, but I don't know today I didn't like their collections at all, not even a single piece. But yeah, the prices are very cheap. They're like since sale is going on and the sale is going to end, I think. Um, within the end of this month. So you can also visit the store if you are a fan of Zudio collections. So yeah, nothing else. That's it, guys. I didn't like any collections there, so probably I'm going to buy that Ginger brand yellow color dress only. That clip I have shared to you in this video. You can see, guys. I hope that dress only I am looking good. Other than that, all other whatever I tried. So yeah, please be with me and watch the vlog because each and every vlog is done with lot of dedication and hard work, guys. So yeah, keep continuing watching.
I begin to I begin
So everyone, actually I am feeling so much hungry, and it has been so delayed for me. Already the time is 7:25 and I am feeling so much hungry, and now here I came to the food court for having my dinner. So once the dinner is completed, I will go for watching the movie. So today I booked a different mall. I think it's Ashoka Theatre, Inox Theatre. I have booked the movie. I actually wanted to see in Sharat City only, in AMV Cinemas, but unfortunately the online ticket was not available, guys. So that I was not able to book. And yeah, that's it. So I have booked the recliner sofa because I love to watch movies in recliner sofa only. So that is very difficult to get the tickets. So anyhow, I got it after so many days. I am watching one Bollywood movie, guys. Before that, I wanted to watch Sayyara, but because of my busy office schedule, I couldn't able to watch. And secondly, I have wanted to watch Dharak 2. That also I couldn't able to watch, guys. So last, finally, I thought Param Sundari. Anyhow, I will watch, and so that I have booked the online tickets. And my show will start at 10:50. So after I'm having my dinner, then I will go and watch the movie. And yeah, that's it. Please keep on watching the vlog and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. roaming a lot after going and doing selection of dresses, doing a lot after that, after seeing a lot of brands. Finally, I have selected one dress from Ginger brand under lifestyle. So that one I have selected. I have tried the dresses which you can see in the video clip. So that only I have done shopping from Charlotte City Mall as well. So this is the thing, today I became so tired. Like nowadays I don't know, before that I used to select the dresses very fast, like within a twist I used to select. But nowadays I am seeing that I am going and seeing a lot of brands also. I am unable to select dresses, or else it's taking a long time for me to understand which dress is better for me and which is not. So that is the thing I am facing nowadays. So yeah, that's it. But everything is a learning. So after so many days, I purchased western wear for myself. So happy for that. And yeah, nothing else. After that, I had my dinner from the Charlotte City food court only. I had Chinese food, that is chicken Manchurian and chicken fried rice and Pepsi. That's it for today's vlog in the mall. And after that, now I'm going to go to the most awaited part of the vlog and my day as well. That is, I'm going to watch a movie, guys, Param Sundari, which is a Bollywood movie, and I'm going to go to Ashok City Mall to watch it, guys, because after so long I got the time to watch a movie for myself. I'm very excited for the movie. I hope the movie will be well, and also I'll give you the review of the movie at the end of this vlog, guys. So yeah, keep continuing watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, because if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because it will give me a lot of motivation to bring more and more content for you. So please forgive me if the video is going lengthy. And yeah, forgot to wish, guys, I'm really sorry for that. Wish you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of my audiences. Wish you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi ki बहुत शुभकामनाएं, guys. So that's it. I am outside. I couldn't enjoy the festival since I am working in corporate. There is no leaves, nothing. No, even in festivals also we have to go to the office, see the computer. So no festivals for me, guys. Just I worshipped the God in front of my office. Pendle only is there, 2-3 kilometers distance. I worshipped the God. That's it. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the festival well. So yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog, guys, and I hope you're enjoying your video. everyone, I came to the movie theater. That is the Inox theater, guys. This theater, to be honest, I came for the first time. Guys, I want to see, to be honest, in AMD cinemas only, but I didn't get any online tickets there in the Charlotte City Mall. That is the reason I have booked the tickets in Inox, which is a new mall. This is actually SMR Mall. So this is new mall. So I didn't see this mall until now. It's very near to the location where I am staying. So okay, today I have choose to be here, and literally my sleeping habits has been changed because my office is early now. Nowadays my login is at 6:30, so I am feeling deep sleepy. So that little bit tired also feeling, but I hope the movie is good, it's interesting, so that even if I feel sleepy also I get energetic by watching it. So yeah, nothing else, please watch the vlog, guys, until the end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, guys, because every vlog is done with a lot of dedication and hard work. So keep continuing watching. And here the sofas are there for sitting, and it's quite relaxing. Like after walking this much, my legs are paining, literally. And the movie is at exactly 10:50, guys, and I have booked this recliner sofa set because I prefer to watch movies and recliner only. So keep continuing watching. So everyone, for the movie I have taken this popcorn of Inox. So I am eating the popcorn now. So actually I felt that it is little bit overpriced as per my knowledge, because I have been in Chennai also for nearly 5.5 years. So there also movies I used to watch a lot, like any Bollywood movies, I will go and watch it pakka. In malls only I will go and watch it, not theaters. So here I felt little bit the prices more here. So yeah, that's it, nothing else. So I have taken this cheese popcorn, and this is the popcorn, guys. And I have taken a water bottle along with the popcorn and nothing else, because it is night 10:31, guys, time. So that's it, guys. Let's watch the movie, and at the end of the movie I'll give you the review as well. And it's just popcorn. After so many days I'm trying popcorn, because I am not coming to movies only nowadays. So keep on watching, guys. I have sitting in the recliner sofa, and I am very happy. After so many days I am sitting in recliner. I think last movie what I watched also I forgotten. So I got the recliner sofa here. That is the reason I have choose this Inox. So that's it, guys. Still, I think the movie 10:40 presently the time is. Still we have 10 minutes for the movie, and nobody came to the theater until yet. Everyone is waiting outside only, but I thought that because of my video and vlog I can come, so I came. And it's very relaxing, guys, like keeping the legs sitting, so quite good. I hope the movie will be good, guys, and please keep continuing watching the vlog, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, that's all for today's vlog. So I hope you have liked today's vlog, and if you like today's vlog, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And let me tell you the review of Paransundari movie. It's already been 1:45. That's why I didn't give the review in the movie theater. So after I came to my location, I'm giving the review. So to be very honest, guys, I have watched a lot of Bollywood movies. Like whenever the new Bollywood movies comes, definitely I'll go and I will watch. If I like the trailer means, I repeat, if I like the trailer means, I'll definitely go and watch. So this movie trailer also I liked, and that's why I went and I watched. But according to me, it's a very simple movie, guys. The concept is very simple. There is an app, dating app, and they will go to some place and they will find their soulmate. So it's a very simple story. Not that much worthy to watch. But anyways, it's good for just for going and spending some leisure time, nothing else. So that's it. How much I like the movie, I have given the information to all of you. So if you like today's vlog, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. And I wish you a very happy weekend. And that's all about today's vlog. And until the next vlog come to this channel, till then, stay safe, happy, positive and healthy. Bye bye, good night, guys. Take care. Bye bye, good night.